morning. We are now reflecting our Power BI. So in our Power BI interface, we need to import our data first. So our data is taken from the exchange rate. So at first, our exchange rate is in CSV format. So we need to import our data. After importing our data, we need to transform our data so that Power BI can better process our data. So first we can change our data title here to a more organized name. Choose the columns we want to use. So here our group chose to analyze Singapore dollar and Thai baht. So we keep the Singapore dollar and Thai baht. Then we deselect the other currencies. After deselecting every currencies, you can close and apply to your Power BI. Okay, after exporting your data into Power BI, you can build your visualizations here. So at first, I will choose a step bar chart to show my data in bar form. So after choosing the step bar chart, I choose the column 1, which is my date, and the Singapore dollar and Thai baht. So here you can see the sum of Singapore dollar and sum of Thai baht by year. Okay, besides that, you can change your color of the bars by choosing this selection, and then you can change any color you want. After changing this, you can also remove your white axis, or you want your white axis here by the side, and you can remove your x-axis, and you can control what you want to show in your bar chart here. So after choosing the bar chart, we need to place it at the left upper corner of the dashboard, and then remember to click away before choosing the next visual. So the next one, I want to choose a line chart. So when you choose a line chart, I put in my date, Singapore dollar, and my Thai baht. So you can see here, it is auto-created, the line chart, and you can see the sum, the amounts of Singapore dollar and Thai baht by year. It shows a great visualization here, and it organizes our data in a clean way. So next, we can choose to show it in a table. Then after choosing the table, put in the column date with the Singapore dollar and Thai baht. And here you can do some calculations by clicking quick measure. And then, for example, we want to choose the calculation of year-over-year change. Then our base value will be Singapore dollar. And the date will be our column 1, which is our year. So after choosing, we just add in. And we can ignore the formulas here. Okay. So here we can see, where is it? Okay, so we need to choose the year-over-year percentage into the chart. And we can see that there's an extra column of the year change. Yeah. Okay. Down here, you can see an extra year change. Okay, so if you want to create another year-over-year change for Thai baht, you can also do the same thing. Choose quick measure and then choose year-over-year change. The base value is Thai baht, and your date will be your column 1. So we add another one. Okay, just click this and you get your year change for Thai baht. Okay, so we pull this visual into our right bottom corner. So now we need to give our dashboard a title. So you just insert a text box here and we write exchange rate. You can edit the font here and the font size, make it big. Okay, so our title here is the exchange rate of SDG and Thai baht. Sorry, SGD. Okay, so we have some extra places down here. We can add a name card. We can add a card indicating the total sum of a Singapore dollar. And also, we can add another one for the sum of Thai baht. So this is our dashboard and you can create it easily by using the functions of Power BI. And after having everything here, you can save it as Power BI file in your desktop and set my file name into exchange rate. Save. Okay, so that is all for our reflection for the Power BI. Thank you for watching.